In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an upload button in Wix step by step. This is perfect if you want users to upload files, documents, images, or any content directly through your Wix website. Whether you're building a client portal, a submission form, or a members-only area, this method works smoothly in Wix Studio. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Wix Studio. Log in using the Wix account that manages your website. Once your dashboard loads, open the site where you want to add the upload button. This will take you directly into the Wix Studio editor where you can customize your site. Next, look at the left-hand side toolbar inside the editor. Click on the Add Elements option. This is where Wix stores all the components you can add to your site, including text, images, forms, and buttons. After clicking Add Elements, find and click on Buttons. Wix will show you different button styles that you can use. Choose any button style that fits your website design. Don't worry too much about the style right now because you can always customize it later. Once you select a button, click on it and place it anywhere on your page where you want users to upload files. You can resize it and move it around to match your layout. Now click directly on the button you just added. This will open the button settings panel. Inside the settings, rename the button text to something clear like Upload File, Upload Document, or Add File, depending on your use case. Clear labeling helps users understand exactly what the button does. After renaming the button, look for the option that lets you change the button action. Set the action to upload a file or connect it to a file upload feature depending on your Wix setup. In many cases, this works best when connected with Wix Forms or a file upload field, especially if you want to receive files from visitors. Make sure you save your changes as you go. Once everything is set, preview your site to test the upload button. Click the button and confirm that it allows users to select and upload a file correctly. If something doesn't work, go back into the settings and double-check the button action and permissions. After testing, publish your site so the upload button goes live for your visitors. And that's it! You've successfully added an upload button in Wix using Wix Studio. This simple feature can make a huge difference for collecting files and managing user submissions on your website. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials, tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.